Say it with me, for we walk by faith, not by sight. Hey guys, John with Cheap Old Cars and Culture. Today, we're back on these two, okay? So we decided to keep the Tahoe. I know that might not be the greatest decision. These are not, it's kind of the recession era cars, and they're not as good. They're really not. But it has 117,000 miles. It has immaculate maintenance records that we have all of. And most importantly, it's just in better shape, right? And so the reason I say it's in better shape is because the Escalade spent a lot of its life outside, spent a lot of time pulling boats, and it's got a rebuilt transmission and stuff. The Tahoe's never had a transmission rebuild, but it might need one before long. Rear seats hardly ever got sat in. The passenger seat hardly ever got sat in. It was a grandma's vehicle, and she drove it a fair amount, but there wasn't many other people in it. And then there's some other things too, like the front ends on these are easier to rebuild as compared to the older. I want to keep the Escalade, I do, but it's my wife's, and she, even though she's super into cars as much, not quite as much as I am, but she's into this stuff and she knows all the differences in the things, but I can also work on stuff. And if we have the lifter issue in this one, I can do it. I can yank the intake and the heads. I'll probably, swap out the cam lifters, all of it, and it'd be a good video, I guess. But yeah, it gets better fuel mileage. It is in really good shape. It's probably one of the best condition of these ever. To me, that's like, hey, let's sell it. We'll make as much money as possible. But she wants to keep it. So today, we're swapping the wheels and tires. She wants to keep her honeycombs and her BFG trail terrains with the white letters out because she's a good lady. And so we're going to put those on the Tahoe and then swap the Tahoe dealer add-on wheels, like the dealer special wheels, whatever, that it's got on it. We're going to swap those over to the Escalade. And I think those wheels will actually look better on the Escalade because they're the chrome and the Escalade's, fancier and whatever. Also, want to show off the merch, guys. We got merch, right? Cheap Old Cars, the little tire, right? On the back, it says, "You giving me lip?" I love this one. This is great. You can check out the link in my bio. It takes you out to Shopify. Eventually, I'll have the shop button on the channel, but I'm not quite there yet. But yeah, if you want to help support the channel, help me keep all these projects going and not have to go back to the corporate world, which is the goal. Yeah, just support the channel if you can, if you want to. People driving by slow looking at me because I guess I'm talking in my garage to a camera, whatever. So this thing, it's just swapping wheels and tires, right? I'm gonna put some music. We're gonna have a bit of time lapse. Super simple video, but this will be my Tuesday video. It'll be awesome. Let's get to it. So I did not realize the offset difference of these wheels. Look at this. We just got a little bit of poke in the front and just almost even a little bit in on the rear. And on this one over here, yeah, that's not as good. They're sitting way in. But this over here actually looks good. So I will say I was not a huge fan of how the Tahoe looked originally. But let me get you guys this view. I think that looks pretty good. So it's all those wheels. It just makes all the difference in the world. And let's go over here and look at the Escalade. I mean, it looks good for an Escalade. It's got chrome, right? And it's shiny. And the tires are new and all that stuff, right? So that's cool. But yeah, that doesn't look as good as that over there. That looks better. And you can see how things go when I try to work on stuff. Wife comes out, she's helping me. That's cool, that's awesome. Then my son comes out and he's helping, but he's not great at this stuff yet. So yeah, you can see people show up and makes things take way longer than it's supposed to, but y'all know how that goes. Most of the time lapse, I kind of want to show this here. It's kind of fun. Most of the time lapse was done with this guy. So that's cool. Be real gentle. I'm out of shape, I'll be honest, so my back hurts a little bit. Bending over with this big old belly is not the most fun thing ever. But I'm going to say, got the merch again, right? Comes up to like a 5X, I think. This is a 3X. Again, I'm not sure keeping the Tahoe is the best idea. I'm really not. I'll sell the Escalade. As many people on the comments said that they liked it, maybe it'll sell pretty quick. But it's a nice vehicle, and well, up there, you guys have seen it maybe other videos, but I got all that front end rebuild parts. I might go ahead and rebuild the front end, or I might just put it in the back and try to get, you know, might just, yeah, put it in the back of the vehicle and not come down on my price as much. I'm not sure. Anyway, that'll be this video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. It's just, you know, basic working on stuff. Again, there will be more involved things pretty soon, doing spring changes and stuff, but this is just a basic switching out tires. And if you didn't notice, I rotated them too. So the front's on one, and I put them on the backs, and the backs from that one on the front. So along with changing them over, I rotated both sets of wheels and tires. So now they'll wear more evenly. Man, I really like the Tahoe with those tires on it. That completely, I'll be honest, the look of it right now completely changes my mind on it. I dig it. Hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe if you did. See you in the next one.